Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Got that chainsaw running finally. I'll do you a little video on how to get 2-cycle chainsaws to run. And it's not easy. Anyway, I hired a guy to trim the palms. He was great, and I'm getting a little too old to get way up there, but I can still clean up the debris. So I'm working my way through this pile. Borrowed a bunch of my neighbor's trash cans, so let me get at it. Brad is videotaping. Oh, that's about, probably about 3 hours work and 3 barrels full. And I'm going to finish the rest tomorrow. It's time to go to the gym. See you later.